He's at the door, he's coming. He'll come to take his bride away. He's coming back very soon with his reward, so do be true. He's coming back, of this I'm sure. He's at the door. He's at your door, he's knocking. Open the door while there's still time. He's calling you, so hear his voice while there's still time. You better stop your scoffing, lest you be left behind in grief. He's coming back, of this be sure. He's at the door. There'll be the great tribulation, when the just Lord will pour his wrath. What will you do when you realize you're left behind? I'm going home very soon. Yes, in a twinkling of an eye. The blessed hope, the rapture sweet, Jesus our meat. Ooh, I'm going home, there with my Lord I'll ever be.